Let me ask you a very simple question. When was the last time you took a vacation and did not check your phone once? Not once, not to answer an email, not to approve a payment, not to respond to a client, not to check if your team was okay. If you're like most entrepreneurs, you're probably thinking, well, that's just part of owning a business. But what if it isn't? What if the reason you can disconnect isn't because you're dedicated? It's because your business depends on you more than it should. One of the biggest misconceptions I see is that entrepreneurs believe they have everything under control. The business is growing, customers are happy, revenue is coming in, the team seems to be doing well, so everything must be working, right? But then you try to take a week off. Suddenly, you're answering texts from the beach, checking your inbox before breakfast, approving invoices while sitting by the pool with your children, taking phone calls during family dinner, and constantly wondering what broke while I was gone. That's when you realize something important. You do not own a business, but the business owns you. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because your systems, your processes, and leadership haven't been designed to operate without you. That is exactly why I created the free Business Foundation Assessment. It is designed to help you take a step back and honestly evaluate your business before burnout forces you to. The assessment looks at 6 critical foundations: vision, operations, process, leadership, growth, and personal. It asks questions like, can your business continue operating effectively when you are unavailable? Can you step away without feeling everything will stop? Are your processes documented? Does your business support the life you originally wanted to create? These aren't just interesting questions. These are indicators of whether you've built a business that is truly sustainable. Because success isn't measured by how busy you are. It's measured by whether your business can continue creating value even when you aren't there every minute of the day. If listening to this makes you think, whoa, I don't know if I could actually unplug for a week, then I encourage you to take the free Business Foundation Assessment. It takes less than 7 minutes and you'll receive personalized results that show exactly where your business is, where it's strong, and where you have opportunities to build a stronger foundation. The link is in the description below because the goal isn't to build a business that keeps you working 24 hours a day. The goal is to build a business that gives you the freedom you dreamed of when you started it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with another entrepreneur who deserves to take a real vacation without checking their phone. I'll see you in the next Optima Method training.